What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go out to a lake that I haven't been there about 2 years, guys. It's around 4:30 in the morning right now, so we got about maybe a 40 minute drive to an hour from my house. So we're gonna go out there, see what happened. I heard this lake, they got it reconstructed, they drained it and they cleaned it all out, so I'm not sure what to expect, guys, but hey, we're gonna go out there, try to have some fun, and hopefully we catch some nice topwater fish today, because I want to catch some topwater fish. I haven't caught none this year, so let's go out there and smash on them, guys. And I also want to thank every single one of you that's been subscribing to the channel, commenting on the videos. Thank you, and I really appreciate every single one of you. So let's go, and I'll see you guys at the lake. We're here, guys. It looks way different than I remember. That used to be like a fish pier right here. That used to be like a beach where people could come and swim. It's not even there no more. Everything looks so different now. We're probably gonna walk all that bank all the way over there. All this right here. We should manage to catch something, I would think so. If not, we'll come back and walk through back all the way back there. So let's see what happens. Deepest part of it. What up, guys? I was very excited to come to this lake this morning, but this place is a bust. I already fished like several points. Been here for almost 2-3 hours. Haven't had a single bite. And another thing, it's very hard to access it from foot because the water is so low. I'm like, you can still see the fish squibs sticking out in the middle of the lake. And I try to walk, but it's kind of mushy and muddy. So I'm gonna make an executive decision. We're gonna get out of here and we're gonna hit up another lake. Like you guys know, I don't give up. We're gonna catch fish today, guys, regardless of situation. It's a long day, Saturday. We're gonna find somewhere to fish on the way back home. Hey, we're gonna catch them, guys. We're gonna catch them. Nobody gives up. No giving up, guys. Gotta keep grinding it down. So I'll see you at the next spot, wherever that might be. I gotta look it up on Google Maps or something. So see you there. What up, guys? This is the second spot of the day. We're out here at this dam. We're gonna try to fish this parallel to the bank down there, see if we can catch some smallmouth, and if we can't catch nothing on this side, we'll switch to the other side. So let's get to it, and hopefully we got good luck, guys, because I already drove like 2 hours today and I need to catch something. Ooh, there was one following it. First one of the morning, guys. It's a nice one too. Look at that. Nice smallmouth. He must have swiped at it because he got the hook all buried in the back. Look at that beautiful smallmouth. Look at that. I'm glad I came out here. Hopefully we catch more of these and be a fun morning, because I've been struggling all morning. You guys seen that? Look at that. Alright, let's let this bad boy go. Anyways, guys, we're gonna let him go. My scale did not want to work. I don't know what's wrong with it. Ooh, but I'm thinking this is a 2.5, almost 3 pounder. What you guys think? I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Look at that bad boy. This is a big one. So I'm gonna toss them. We're pretty up high. Let's see if we can catch another one. There he goes. Back to the depths. Yes. Let's see if we can catch another one. Another one, guys, but I finally got this one on video. I'm sorry about losing that. I don't know, I think my GoPro overheated and I wasn't able to catch it on video, but I caught this one, little largemouth, right here off the dam. So let's see if we can catch more. Got a good one again, guys. Hopefully this time it's recording. How the hell did that happen? Carp. How did I hook you? You go away, bud. Well, that's an odd catch. Species to the square bill. I got one. I don't know how big it is. It's decent. Decent little size. Nice little river. Smallmouth. Oh, look, this got a leech right here. Let's take that off of him. Beautiful little smallmouth bass. Make sure to subscribe to Bassy Mike 84, guys. Just let him go. Another one. This one's a little bit bigger. Feels like it. No. Oh, there it goes. There was another little small one. We ain't playing that game again. Another baby, guys. It's almost got a hook in me again. These are the ones that would catch. These are the ones that put hooks in your hand. We'll see if we can catch at least one more, and then we're gonna call it a day. Running out of time. Oh, that one came off. I got this one, guys. I don't even think I got it on video. This is the one that I missed earlier. Yeah, I don't think I got it on video at all. I accidentally turned off the GoPro. Look, they have leeches or parasites on their tongue. Smooth that off. Take that off. Hey, they have a lot of them. Let's help this little guy out. Look at that. I knew he was in there. I knew if I came back later, I would catch him. Beautiful little Rock River smallmouth. Let him go. Alright, guys. One more cast. And we're out of here. Oh man, that was a nice little dinky one. Said today's just been one of those days, guys. Kidding me? Seriously, last cast. Seriously, guys, one more cast. Seriously. How many of you guys say that all the time? And it's like 20, 30 more casts. Seriously, this will be my last one. Because I gotta go home and smoke some chicken. I'm gonna be smoking some big juicy chickens. Yeah, but this will be the last one for real. Okay, just one more cast and we're done here. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. No fishies, guys. Time to go home.